Azaan and I'm thrilled to welcome you to my YouTube channel, aaziscodebook. Well, as the name suggests, this is your go-to destination for all things coding, but with a twist, it's in video form. Consider it your virtual coding book where you'll find a treasure trove of tic-tac content. A little about me. By day, I am your typical high school student, but there's a secret life that not many know about. I am a code wizard in the making, and I have been on this coding adventure for about 4 to 5 years now. Coding for me is not just lines of text, it's an incredible journey, a fiery passion that drives me forward. Well, now you might be thinking about my relationship status. Well, I've had a long-term love affair with HTML and things are pretty serious between us. Well, Python on the other hand has been my crush for the past 3 years and now I've decided to go on a date with CSS. Well, you see, I believe that sharing knowledge is incredible. If you know something, you should be able to explain it to others, right? So, here we are, diving into the mysterious and exciting world of coding together. Now let's unravel the big mystery. What exactly is Python and why should you care? Well, Python is like the cool and friendly kid next door in the world of programming. It's all about simplicity and readability. The kind of friend you'd love to have in your coding squad, right? But here's the exciting part. Python is extremely versatile and it's like a superhero with many capes ready to tackle challenges in various domains. Seamlessly fits into every nook and cranny of the coding universe, whether it's web development, scientific research, data analysis, and so much more, right? Well, what can I say? It's like the Swiss Army knife of the programming languages. Well, what's more, Python comes with a supporting cast, a fantastic community of coders who have got your back. It's not just great for beginners, it's like the easy mode in the game of coding. While other languages might have you tearing your hair out, Python invites you for a peaceful sleep. And what I say, Python is not just user-friendly, it's pocket-friendly as well. It's source coding, it's free to use and modify. It's like the play with you on the language. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the Python party. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. This is your host